Welcome. Running a small business is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. Today, I'll share practical tips to help you grow smarter and work more efficiently. First, know your customer. Spend time researching who they are, what they need, and how they prefer to buy. Use surveys, interviews, and sales data to build clear customer profiles. When you understand their motivations, you can tailor your products, pricing, and messaging precisely. Second, manage cash flow like it's your lifeline. Track income and expenses daily, maintain a cash reserve, and forecast for slow seasons. Negotiate payment terms with suppliers and consider incentives for early customer payments. A healthy cash flow keeps operations steady and opportunities open. Third, build a strong online presence. Your website should be fast, mobile-friendly, and easy to navigate. Claim profiles on key platforms like Google Business and social channels relevant to your audience. Consistent branding and clear contact information make it simple for customers to find and trust you. Fourth, embrace targeted marketing over broad promotion. Focus on channels that deliver measurable returns. Test small campaigns, analyze results, and scale what works. Use email marketing to nurture relationships, social media to engage, and search ads to capture intent. Fifth, deliver exceptional customer service. Respond quickly, solve problems proactively, and collect feedback to improve. A satisfied customer becomes your best marketing asset through word of mouth and positive reviews. Encourage referrals with simple incentives. Sixth, hire for attitude and train for skill. Small teams depend on adaptability and ownership. Document processes, invest in training, and empower employees to make decisions. Clear roles and performance expectations reduce friction and increase productivity. Seventh, automate routine tasks. Use affordable tools for accounting, scheduling, inventory, and customer management. Automation frees time to focus on strategy and customer experience, not repetitive chores. Eighth, track key metrics. Revenue, profit margins, customer acquisition cost, and churn rate reveal what's working and what's not. Regularly review numbers and set realistic goals. Finally, stay flexible and keep learning. Market conditions change, technology evolves, and customer tastes shift. Experiment, iterate, and don't be afraid to pivot when necessary. Put these tips into action one step at a time, and your small business will be better positioned to grow and thrive.